The Earth is the planet that we live on. Our planet is approximately spherical in shape. The axis and the equator are both imaginary lines. The Earth spins on its axis once every 24 hours, and the equator separates the northern hemisphere from the southern hemisphere. The Earth orbits around the Sun once every 365.25 days, and this is 1 year. As Earth spins, different parts face the Sun, and this is how we get day and night every 24 hours. As you see, the areas facing the Sun are in the day. However, the areas that are on the opposite side are at night.